Good evening, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And I want us now to learn how to construct or even sketch the graph of y is equals to the tangent of theta. And from what we have been learning, we know the tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. You can catch up with that from the previous video. And we also know that the tangent of theta is sine theta over the cosine of theta. And of course, as P moves around the circle, theta changes, and this will change the tangent of theta. Well, I may not want to concentrate so much of this, though this one is also very important and very critical. If you want to find the tangent of theta and you have the sine of theta and the cosine of theta, just take the sine of theta divided by the cosine of theta and you will be having the tangent of theta. But the objective of this video is use a calculator to copy and complete the table below for y is equal to the tangent of theta for theta between 0 to 360, both limits included, to exact or two significant figure values. You might wish to add more values to tan theta close to 90 and 270 to improve the graph, and I will do that on the side. But I want to just talk about the tangent of 0, which is 0, the tangent of 30, which is 0.58, 0.58, the tangent of 60, which is 1.73, 1.73, the tangent of 90, and I want us to be keen here. The tangent of 90 is maths error. It is not there. It is actually infinity. This is maths error. It is infinity. We don't know the tangent of 90. And for this reason, we will be talking, when we shall be constructing this graph, we shall be talking about which angle is close to 90. But before there, let's just consider the tangent of 120, tangent of 120 degrees, which is negative 1.73, negative 1.73. And we shall also be considering an angle which is just after 90 degrees so that we can see the behavior of the graph. The tangent of 150 degrees is negative 0.58, negative 0.58. The tangent of 180 is 0. The tangent of 210 is 0.58. The tangent of 240 is 1.73, 1.73. The tangent of 270, the tan of 270 is again maths error, therefore it is not known, and it is infinity. It is not known. The tangent of 300 is negative root 3, negative 1.73. The tangent of 330, negative 0.57, negative 0.558, and the tangent of 360 is 0. I would want us to highlight when theta is 90 and when theta is 270. And we talk of this is 30, this is 60, this is 90, this is 120, 150 degrees, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, and 360. This is theta in degrees, and we have the tangent of theta on the y-axis. I just want us now to talk about, this is 0.5, this is 1, 1.5, 2, this is 2, 1.5, 1, this is 0.5. You can see that the tangent of theta goes beyond 1. This is negative 0.5, negative 1, negative 1.5, and negative 2. The tangent of theta is 0. There we are. The tangent of 30 is 0.58. 0.58 somewhere here. The tangent of 60 is 1.73. 1.73 somewhere there. The tangent of 90 is not known. It is actually infinity. And anytime we have the graph of infinity, we call it an asymptote. So there is an asymptote here. At theta is equals to 90. That graph is going to be asymptotic. And an asymptote means this is where the graph never touches that line. So it is also clear at 270. So we have to be very careful with that. And we are very intentional in highlighting that line because the graph will be asymptotic along those lines. But I would want to calculate the graph or the tangent of an angle which is very close to 90, like 89, just before we get to 90. So the tangent of 89 degrees is a very, very big figure, which is 57.2. What about the tangent of 89.9? The tangent of 89.9, you get a very, very big number, 572. So as we approach 90, the tangent of 90 increases exponentially, and due to this infinity aspect, the graph will never touch the 90. So it is going to have an asymptotic nature. What about the tangent of 90.1? Let's talk about just after 90 degrees. The tangent of 90.1. It is again a very, very big negative number coming all the way from down these sides. A very big negative number coming from these sides. The tangent of 120, the tangent of 120 is already given here, negative 1.75, 1.5, 1.73, 150, negative 0.58, somewhere there. 180, we have 0. 210, we have 0.58, 0.58. 240, we have 1.73, and again 270, another asymptotic graph. And let's see, at 271, the tangent of 271 degrees, a very big negative number, so it's still going to come from this side. The tangent of 300 is negative 1.7, negative 1.73. The tangent of 330 is negative 0.58, negative 0.58 there, and the tangent of 360 is 0. So this means that what we are having now is the graph that moves like this, and asymptotic. It is asymptotic along the line theta is equals to 90. This one is coming from very far. That is the graph. This one is also coming from very far. It means if you proceed now beyond 360 degrees, you will have the graph that just resembles this way. And as you can see, this is the graph of y is equals to the tangent of theta. And that is what we are expected to do. These lines are asymptotic. Asymptotic means the graph is asymptotic along that point, along that line, along that line, and along that line. Asymptotic means all these as asymptote. All these are asymptotes. And asymptote means the graph never touches the dotted line. The graph never touches the dotted line. That is the meaning of asymptotic graph. Thank you. Let us meet in the next video.